Used by both professional and amateur riders alike. Made using high-quality materials and components. Tested to ensure quality and durability. 9 tools total. Elegant one-piece super light folding tool. Weight: 92 grams, 0.20 pounds. Material: hardened steel. Tools: extruded aluminum. Body. Includes neoprene bag. Top reviews from the United States. Small yet strong. Normally I will not write a review for a product until I have had it for a few months, but I got this last night and liked it so much I decided to go ahead and write the review now. Originally I was going to order the Mini 6 because I had one Allen head bolt on my bike that I didn't have a wrench for, but I saw that the Mini 9 was only about $1 more, so I got this instead. The first thing I noticed about this is how small it is. This thing is tiny, but still gets the job done, and weighs particularly nothing. It also comes with a nifty little case that has a belt loop on the back. I used this to tighten every bolt and screw on my giant Escape 2 and could feel that it was high quality. This little tool will live in my panniers now for in case something happens while I'm riding. I would highly recommend this for anyone to keep on them when riding a bike.